Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I am Melody Onyebuchi and this is Gewmel Space. You are welcome, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. I got you. On today's video is a tutorial on how to do a no makeup kind of makeup look. So if you're interested in knowing how to do this, don't go nowhere, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Let's go there. The first thing I do is to apply my primer. For my primer, I'm going to be using my Stay Matte primer and this very defined brush to apply it. The purpose for the primer is to create a barrier between your face and your makeup. Next thing I'm going to go with is my foundation, and for my foundation I'm going with this Jordana Complete Coverage foundation. Guys, I love this foundation. This foundation just gives me what I want. I'm going to go with my foundation brush to apply this all over my face. Try and take as little as possible, as little foundation as possible, and then you can build up your foundation from there. And remember, we are going for a natural looking makeup look. Blend out your foundation using your beauty sponge or your beauty blender. Then you apply your concealer to highlight your face. For my concealer, I'm going to be using this Saron concealer. While I apply my concealer, I want to take this time to say, if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. It doesn't take much. Just click on the subscription option to join this lovely family. Subscribe. Before I get distracted, I use my blending brush to blend out the concealer evenly. Try to reach the under of your eye, then go with your translucent powder to set your concealer so it doesn't crease or crack. The next thing you want to do after that is to conceal your jaw and blend it out with your blending brush. Then also conceal your nose, the bridge of your nose, and blend it out with either your blending brush or your beauty sponge. Then guys, the next thing you want to do is to apply the concealer on your forehead, then blend it out using the blending brush you used initially. When I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead to bronze my face using this palette, and I'm going to use this brush to contour my nose. Use the color 2 shades darker than your skin to contour your nose. Start from your eyebrow, under your eyebrow, and take it down to the side of the tip of your nose. I'm just going to do this, and after that I'm just going to go ahead to bronze my face. I'm going to be using the same shade I used to contour my cheekbones. Guys, I'm not going with a cream concealer because I want this makeup to look as natural as possible, so I'm going with this bronzer. Next, I'm going to go with my blush, and I'm going to be using the pink shade I have here because, well, I love this color. It suits my skin, and I'm going to be using that on my face. Then I'm going to go with my bronzer to bronze my forehead and also bake my face with my Sacha baking powder. Now that I am done with that, I'm going to go ahead to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to start by using my brow tamer. I did a video on how to do your eyebrows recently. I'm just going to post the link on my description box. So if you want to learn how to do your eyebrows, if you want a detailed tutorial on how to do your eyebrows, just go to my description box and watch the video I made, and I'm sure you're going to learn how to do that. So guys, now I'm doing my eyebrows, and you know how it is now. For those that watched my last video, you start by drawing a line at the inner corner of your eye, then you extend I say that with me. You extend, then you create a curve, take it down, then you draw a line at the upper part of your eye. You take it down and join at the tip of the one you drew initially. Then you start to fill in your eyebrows as I am doing. You have to make this as natural as possible, guys, because what are we going for? A no makeup kind of makeup look. So guys, just fill in and just draw very light hair-like strokes, and voila, you're done. Feel free to make mistakes, guys. Then I'm going to go with my Hega and Esther brow gel, and I'm going to use it to fill in the tail of my eyebrows, because I noticed that my eyebrow tail tends to clean fast. It doesn't last throughout the day, so this brow gel will help it stay throughout the day. When you're done with that, guys, just go with your concealer to correct whatever mistakes you have and to highlight your eyebrows. The concealer I'm using is a Zaron highlighter and concealer, and I'm going to use it to highlight my brow bone. Like right now, I'm highlighting my brow bone, and at the same time I'm correcting one very little mistake I have there. As you do that, please try and spread the concealer out, because you don't want it drying up at a place. After you spread it, you start to blend it out. Just use it to correct whatever mistakes you have, and then you blend it out. I'm using this brush to blend it out, even if it's not a blending brush. If you want to get details on how to do this, just try and watch my eyebrow video. I'm sure you blend it better. Then guys, after that, I'm just going to go ahead to do my other eyebrows, and then I'm just going to pat finish up powder, and I'm using a MAC finish up powder to set the concealer I have on my eyelid. Then guys, I'm going to go ahead to brush off the baking powder I have on my face, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to be using my powder brush to do this. Then I'm going to go with my mascara to, I don't know, to like brush up my natural eyelashes, because I want to protect my natural eyelashes, and I want it to have the same color with my false eyelashes. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to apply your false lashes, well, I'll just be pasting that on my description box, so make sure to watch the video I have, and I'm sure you will learn how to do that easily, because the video is very detailed. Now I'm going to apply my false lashes, guys. Gay, tada! I have it on, and guys, I'm already feeling myself. The next thing I'm going to do is to go with my Zaron lip liner, and I've already lined my lips, guys. I'm going to go ahead to apply this shade I have on here, and I'll be using the back of my lip liner because I don't like stress. So guys, I'm going to just apply that on my lip after my lip liner, and then I'm going to smack my lips. And then guys, I'm going to go with my lipstick, and I'll be using a lipstick from Zaron in the shade Clay, and I'm going to be using that on my lips after the shade I used initially, like to deepen my lips and make it look more natural. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to apply your lippy, guys, make sure to turn on your notification option, because you don't want to miss out. I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be posting real soon, so turn on your notification option, just the bell below, turn it on, and you're not going to miss out. Next, I'm going to use my finish up powder all through my face, and I'll be using my Milani finish up powder in the shade 108 to set my whole face. After that, I'm going to be going with my Candid Glow by Yanga Beauty to highlight my jaw, the bridge of my nose, my cheek, and my forehead. So now I'm doing my cheek. Guys, I am obsessed with this glue. Like, I cannot finish my makeup without applying my glue. Like, never. You can now go ahead to apply your makeup fixing spray, but for now guys, I am done. How do I look? Hope I look good, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and click the notification option in case you want to get notified each time I post a new video. And feel free to leave any comments, suggestions, and questions you have on my comment section. I am going to answer you, my OGs now. And thanks for watching. I love you and see you on my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.